Hey guys, this is Peter. I just took a trip to Zuma Canyon with a couple friends. We had a really good time, but there are 5 things you should know before you go, so stay tuned to this short video. I lived in New York City for 13 years, and that is too long for this country boy. I'm on a mission to hike all over the West Coast. In fact, next week I'm going on a road trip all over Nevada and Utah, so hit that subscribe button so you can join the fun. Zuma Canyon is a great option for a day hike. It's got views of the ocean. It's located in Malibu, so it only took us about an hour to drive there from LA. It had plenty of parking on a Saturday. I will put the address to the trailhead right here on the screen so you can just plug it into your GPS. All right, so here are the 5 things you should know before you go. First is that there are multiple trails. So although the canyon is fairly small, there are a number of different routes you can take. We took the Ocean View Trail to the Canyon View Trail, which was a good 3-mile hike. We all enjoyed it. There's also the Zuma Canyon Loop Trail, 10.7 miles long, features a river. We did not get to see that. You can bring your dog as long as it's on a leash, and you can also bring your mountain bike. All right, the second thing to know is the horses. You do not need to see horses on this trail to know that there are horses on this trail. I've never seen that much horse doo-doo on a trail in my life, so just keep your eye out. The third thing is the sun. There were no clouds on the day we went, and there is no shade to be found hardly at all on the trail, so just bring some sun protection and some water. Number 4 is that I noticed there was not really a good place to sit down and take a break anywhere on the route we took. So just be prepared to have to stand the whole time. Number 5 is there's a great place to stop on your way home on the beach called Malibu Seafood. We had a really good time. Just make sure you pay for parking because they will give you a ticket. All right, those are my 5 tips for going to Zuma Canyon. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.